It's breakfast time on this Sunday morning. I'm just going to make some oatmeal, bacon, and eggs this morning. Since I'm making the bacon and eggs to go with the oatmeal, I'm just going to use this little pot. Also, some people want cereal with their bacon and eggs instead of the oatmeal, so I don't need as much as I would if I were just making oatmeal for everybody. So I'm going to put in some water and milk. Sometimes I put cream in with the oatmeal, but this milk that we get from the creamery, it still has like a lot of cream in it. So when I use this kind of milk, I just do milk and water. And that's all I do with it now, just the milk and cream, and then everybody adds whatever they want to put in it. Some people put a little drizzle of maple syrup, bananas, strawberries, whatever kind of fruit they want to add. My favorite way to eat it is a little bit of maple syrup and blueberries. I actually like to put frozen blueberries in it because it cools down the oatmeal, and then as they start to thaw out, this blueberry juice kind of goes all throughout. It's great. Alright, let's see, you got it inside out. What's the problem?
That's
Yeah.
why they weren't that well right
Yeah. That's the shirt you were wanting to wear?
Yeah. Not that little spiny shirt. I have one exactly like a spiny shirt. Oh, it took me a fast bit. This little lad.
You want some eggs, Manny? Or you want some bacon? Yeah. Extra crispy on the second batch. Okay, y'all. These people want to stop at the Western store on the way home.
From church.
And I was going to wait in the truck, but nobody would have it.
No, we wanted her to come.
So here we go.
How y'all doing?
Doing good. How are you?
This side. Looks like you might get a little rain.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't see any little kids ones. Oh, here we go. Here they are. This one looks like it will fit you, Joey. Yes, I think so.
I found the flippies.
Tyler's like a zeddy, wanting to get ready for fall already. Sissy found some flip-flops over here. How'd you find me? You looked for yellow, didn't you?
Yeah.
This looks like an old mail bag. See that? It's kind of cute in a mail bag kind of way. Oh, do they? Yeah. Oh, this one's pretty. The yellow. Oh, I forgot. Y'all, I forgot that I didn't record. I'm responding to y'all on the comments right here, and I forgot I was recording. It's a little while later now. All the kids are over there playing. There's like 10 or 12 of them. We usually stop and get something to eat on our way home when we come over here, and here lately it's been Waffle House because that's all that was still open. There might be somewhere else open because it's kind of early tonight. It's only 7:42 right now. We might go somewhere else, I don't know, because it's about an hour back to the house, maybe just a little over an hour. They're gonna play Red Rover now, I think. I was always terrible at that. Yeah, Titus is in there talking, and I'm thinking it's probably gonna be Waffle House again. I wonder, like, where did Red Rover even come from? Like, why is it called Red Rover, Red Rover? We'll look it up. History of Red Rover is a popular children's game with a history dating back to the 19th century. It's believed to have originated in Great Britain and spread to other English-speaking countries like Australia, Canada, and the United States. The game involves two teams facing each other with players from one team attempting to break through the opposite team's linked hands. While its exact origins are debated, some theories suggest links to Viking invasions or even the plague. One theory is that Red Rover, with its distinctive chant, was named after an 1828 steamboat. Another suggests it was a taunt early English children directed at Viking invaders. Okay. Oh, let's start our journey with Red Rover, one of the most physical, aggressive playground games ever. Anyway, what about Mother May I? Let's see the history of Mother May I. That was one of my favorite ones, but I'm not really even sure why, because the mother was the one who decided who won. The history of Mother May I. The game likely originates from the old days when children used polite language to ask permission. The old days? The game Red Light, Green Light likely evolved from older playground games and shares roots with the game Statues. What is Statues? It's a simple game. Oh, I need to look up what Statues is. It's a simple game where players advance while a designated caller faces away and must, y'all know the game. Let's see what Statues is. Statues can run a children's game where one person is it and the other players are statues. The it person stands with their back turned while the other players try to advance toward them. When the it person turns around, everyone must freeze like a statue. If the it person catches anyone moving, that person is out or sent back to the starting line. Okay. Another one is called Musical Statues. I don't know about that, but musical chairs I do know about. Now they think I was talking to myself, and I'm not. I'm talking to y'all, but they don't know that. They think I'm talking to myself. Now they have moved on to hide and seek. I could really go for some hash browns right about now. I like to put mayonnaise and ketchup on my hash browns. I'm not sure who's it in the game, but I see some hiders for sure. I won't tell where they are. We made it before Longhorn closed. Joel is already digging into the bread. It's Monday morning. I'm about to make some maple bacon muffins. I think I'm gonna go with 375. Whoops, not roll. Move this out of my way. We'll go with 375. Surprisingly, I have some bacon left over. My flip-flops that I'm wearing, y'all, squeak like crazy. So I apologize in advance for the squeaks. Yesterday morning, I made bacon, and I didn't even realize at Aldi the other day I picked up maple bacon. I thought I grabbed the hickory smoked, but I got maple, which is fine. We like the maple kind. Tyler's just getting back with some gravel. He went over this morning to pick some up because we're gonna put gravel. I'm not sure if the gravel he's got now is for this or what. Titus was telling him what they were gonna do with it, but we're gonna put a gravel path from the house to the barn and also from the house to the chicken coop. That way, everywhere we go to feed everybody and all, there's gravel to walk on. We're trying to get all this stuff done within the next week or two so that, you know, when it's time for school to start back and all that stuff, we've got all these outside projects done for now anyway. Some folks already ate some oatmeal and eggs this morning also because Titus had to leave earlier, so I've got some dishes to do. We'll get the muffins in the oven first, then we'll clean up. Sorry about the squeakiness. This is a really easy recipe. We just need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, just a pinch of salt, half a cup of sour cream, or you can use plain Greek yogurt. Then we just need 1 cup of milk. Okay, we'll chop up the bacon real quick. This maple bacon, by the way, smells so good. It's the kind from Aldi that's in the packs, like the Right brand bacon and all is in, you know? It made the house smell so good. Everybody kept talking about it yesterday when we walked in here after church. It was just amazing. It smelled like fall, especially with this candle going over here. Yes, we're already burning these pumpkin candles. This one is the Goose Creek Cinnamon Pumpkin. It makes you want to go to Hobby Lobby and just, you know, take in all the pumpkins. I'm still enjoying summer, don't get me wrong. I'm not rushing fall to get here because I'm loving these warm days, but there's something about a fall candle going and the smell of maple bacon cooking. It just smells like home. Alright, put in the bacon. I think that's all we're going to add because I feel like the kids might want to drizzle a little maple syrup over the top of it or either just eat it like it is, but you could add other stuff if you wanted to. You could add cheese, you could add a little bit of sugar, but since our maple bacon, it's already sweet, I'm not going to add any. So I think that's all we're going to do right there. Let me get the muffin tin ready real quick. I know some of y'all have said you've already started burning the fall candles too. You can burn a pumpkin candle anytime you want to, it's fine.
Yeah, it can be Christmas time.
Right. Even if you want to burn a watermelon candle on December 25th, you just go right ahead. It's okay. I had to add a little bit more milk because that milk, like I was telling y'all yesterday, it's pretty creamy. You know, it's just not as thin as other milks at the grocery store, so I had to add a little bit more to make my muffin batter right. It was too thick. I'll be glad when all these outside projects are done too, because we want to go to the Smokies. And that's the reason we haven't gone any this summer, is because we're just, you know, so busy doing things around here. It's been a long time since we went. Let's see. I think it's been probably 3 or 4 months ago, and that was just me and Titus because he shoes horses at a farm, or trims, I'm sorry, I think he just trims there, but at a farm just a few minutes away from Cherokee. And I went with him that day, and then we just crossed over the mountain over into Gatlinburg just to eat, and then came back home. Before that, I can't remember when the last time we went was. It might have been last summer, or right at the end of fall around Christmas. I guess it was at Christmas, right before Christmas or something. So it's been a while. All right, these are going in the oven for about 25 minutes. I'll start checking them at 20. And I'll be washing up all these dishes. These are good, y'all. They kind of taste like a bacon biscuit. I would recommend doing them without the liners. I just used the liners because I wanted easy cleanup, but they kind of want to stick to the liners, so I would just, you know, spray the muffin tin and all next time. But yeah, Sissy said they would be really good with cheese in them too. But yeah, just skip the liners. I'll open this one up so I can show y'all. It's just really hard to get them out of the liner. It's really good.